Humanity is asked to hold the frequency of all is well in my world. Visualize the planet already peaceful. See all countries already cooperating and working together to create strong partnerships in all areas of bilateral relationships. There is fair energy exchange between countries. Unity is the goal of each country. See the leaders of each country caring for their nation, ensuring there is food, water, and shelter for all. The people in each country are also living in harmony. Racism is a thing of the past. The weak are being supported. Your balanced energies are being called upon to play an important role right now. You may think you're doing it alone. Far from it. Give intent at the start of your visualization that you join other energy workers across the planet in creating and restoring peace on your fourth density planet. Most importantly, hold the energy of joy and gratitude throughout your visualization. Food, transport, shelter, and other daily necessities are affordable. Do not let your emotions lower to the frequency of fear, as this creates situations that put everyone else in fear mode. Stay away from news that makes you envision the worst-case scenario. You are now being called upon to become very aware of your state of being. Repair all your relationships, making sure you clear all discordant energies between you and anyone you currently have a constrained relationship with. Your personal experience with separation is playing out in the world arena. Be aware of this and clear all negative karma you have with another. This is paramount. This is what energy workers are called forth to do at this time. Tend to your state of being. Sit quietly with your own higher self, as this would help you navigate your day in a beautiful and benevolent way. You are aligning your will to that of your divine will. We bid you farewell for now. We love one. We love all.